Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about something that can make or break your finance future. 10 common personal finance mistakes and how to avoid them. Stick around because these tips can save you from costly error and set you on the path to the finance success. Have you ever wondered why some people always seem to be financially stable while others are struggling? It is often boiled down to avoid common finance pitfalls. Let's dive into these mistakes and learn how you can avoid them. The first big mistake is not having a budget. Think of a budget as your finance roadmap. Without it, you might end up lose or spending more than you earn. I remember when I first started earning, I didn't have a budget and often wondering where my money went. To avoid this, track your income and expense. Apps like Mint or YNAB can help. They make budgeting easy and even fun. By seeing where every dollar goes, you can make informative decisions and avoid overspending. Mistake number 2 is overspending on non-essential. It is so easy to splurge on things like coffee, eating out, or the latest gadget. But these small expenses add up. Instead, try to limit non-essential spending and save that money. For instance, brewing your coffee at home could save you $100 per year. I challenge you to track all your small expenses for a month. You might be shocked at how much you're spending on things that you don't really need. Number 3, not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and emergency fund act as your safety net. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of expense. I learned this the hard way when my car broke down and I didn't have any saving. Trust me, having an emergency fund give you peace in mind. Start small if you have to, but start today. Even putting aside $10 a week can add up over time. Living paycheck to paycheck is a mistake number 4. This can be stressful and risky. Try to save a portion of each paycheck. Start small if you have to. Even saving 10% can make big difference over time. Picture this. You get an unexpected bill, but you have savings set aside. No stress, no problem. That's the power of breaking the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Mistake 5 is ignoring your debt. Debt can be snowball if you are not careful. Make a plan to pay it off quickly as possible. I had a friend who ignored his credit card debt and it quickly become overwhelming. Don't let that happen to you. Tackle it head on. List your debt and start paying off small one first. This create momentum and motivate to keep going. Number 6, not investing. Simple saving money isn't enough because inflation can reduce its value. Investing help grow your money over time. Start with something simple like index fund or ETF. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from compound interest. Imagine investing $100 a month and watching it grow exponentially over the year. That's the magic of investing. Not planning for retirement is the mistake 7. It might be seem far away, but the sooner you start, the better off you will be. Use retirement account like 401 or IRA to save for the future. Picture your future self thanking you for the comfortable retirement you have to plan. It is never too early to start, even if just a small amount. Mistake number 8 is not having insurance. Health, auto, maybe even home insurance can protect you from a huge expense. I remember a time when a medical emergency could have wiped out my entire saving if I didn't have any health insurance. Insurance may seem like an expense you have to skip, but when disaster happen, you will be glad you have it. Mistake 9, falling for get rich quick scheme. It is sound too good to be true, is probably is. Stick to proven method of growing your wealth and avoid risky scheme. Remember, real wealth build over time. A friend of mine lost a lot of money in pyramid scheme, believing he get rich quick. Learn from his mistake and stay cautious. Finally, mistake number 10 is not continually learning. Personal finance is a journey. Keep educating yourself through books, video, or even courses. Knowledge is a power. The more you learn, the better decisions you can make. Subscribe to channel like this or read blogs or books and always be on the lookout for new finance tips. That's it for today. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips. Let me know in the comment section below which mistake you made and how you plan to avoid them in future. Thank you for watching and see you next time.